Hey guys, welcome to question MM360 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So in this question we've got a small pile of cards which contains 4 hearts and 4 clubs. Jay selects 3 cards from the pile without replacing them. The probability that at least one of these cards is a heart is. Awesome. So if at least one of the cards is a heart, that means that we're actually taking every possibility that it has a heart in it. And what I mean by that is another way of saying the probability of at least one, we can say is the same as the total probability, so 1, minus the probability that we don't pick a heart, so none. Okay? Because if we have at least one heart, that means we could have picked 1, 2, or 3 within these, because we're picking out 3 cards, right? But if we don't have a heart, that means that all we've picked are clubs, right? So we've only picked clubs. So if we're looking for 1 minus the probability of 0, the easiest way to kind of do this is using a tree diagram. We don't have to draw the whole tree diagram, but all we need to do is figure out the probability that we don't pick a heart, okay? No, we pick no hearts out of the 3. So we pick a club, and then we pick a club, and then we pick a club, right? So we have 8 cards to begin with, total. So our probability that we pick a club first is 4 over 8, right? Because we've got 4 clubs and we've got 8 total cards, so the probability that we pick a club is 4 and 8, right? Now, we're not replacing these cards, okay? Which means that the probability to pick another club, we've already taken 1 club, so there's only 3 clubs left. And we've taken a club, which means there's only 7 cards in total left. So our probability to pick another club is 3 and 7. The probability to pick another club, yet again, we've already picked out 2 clubs, which means there's only 2 clubs left. And we've also picked out 2 cards out of the total 8, which means there's only 6 cards in total left. Okay? So our first probability to pick out a club, 4 and 8, then it reduces to 3 on 7, then goes to 2 on 6. Okay? Now, the probability that we pick out no hearts is all of these multiplied together, right? So our probability that we pick at least 1 heart is 1 minus 4 on 8 times 3 on 7 times 2 on 6, okay? Which is 1 minus 1 in 14, which equals 13 in 14. And that's our answer, E. So guys, E is our final answer for MM360. I know that at least one thing can kind of be a bit confusing, so just let me know if you have any questions about it and I'll answer them. But otherwise, that's it. So E is our answer, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.